Pastry cream or crème pâtissière, however you say it, see how it holds on the plate while being creamy and shiny. We'll share tricks to make crème pâtissière for millefeuille, éclair or mousseline cake. Start with 5 egg yolks. Add 40 grams of cornstarch, vanilla and a pinch of salt. This order is key. Add a quarter of 333 grams of sugar, 2/3 of a cup, and the rest with 480 milliliters of milk, 2 full cups. Mix the yolks with sugar and cornstarch. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add them at the end. When the milk heats, pour it over. The yolks and cornstarch. This is tempering. Adding eggs directly cooks them. Strain through a fine sieve to remove lumps or shells. Turn on the heat and stir continuously to prevent quick cooking. Will thicken. Use a pot with a good base to avoid burning. Once it boils, remove from heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter, about 30 grams, and stir. That's it, my friend. Now I have crème pâtissière. Pour it into a bowl and cover it to prevent the skin. If filling millefeuille, add fresh cream. If using alone, beat it well with a piping bag for beautiful crème pâtissière. I've made the original. The French did, and the modern with pistachio cream. If you want the modern or original, write to us and I'll send the video link. I hope you pray for my parents' mercy from your heart if you feel like it. If you think this video might help someone, please share it. Don't hesitate to give us a like and leave a comment if you want.